So we finally put the pool up. Good job.
Make a line right to us. Make a line right to us. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on notification bell right there.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So we finally put the pool up. We got this like a couple weeks ago. This week will be 2 weeks, I think, and we finally put it up. The girls are in there. Avery, Araya, and Titi in there, enjoying themselves. Avery's resting, relaxing, whatever she's doing. Are you enjoying the pool, Araya? Yeah? Are you practicing your flutters? Your flutter kicks? What she's doing? So yeah. Just trying to create experiences for them that I never had. And get them out of the house too, because when they're in the house, they get bored, especially since I'm now restricting their tablet and TV time. Just to encourage them to play a little bit more actively. So yeah. And we got a one with the pump set up. I think that's a sand pump, they say. So yeah. So they're just there having fun. And I'm here supervising. You okay? Practice. You just have to lift your foot up, baby. Yes, 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 yes. Good job. See? Yes. It's not reaching you, Avery. And even so, if you turn around and try to practice your own, it won't matter if she's doing that. Are you moving your foot? Good job. Good job. Hi, Araya. Yeah, so I was saying, just trying to create experiences for the girls that I never had, and just, you know, get them something else to do over the summer, because I didn't get them into a summer program. And honestly, these summer programs are very inconvenient because you have to pick them up in the middle of the day, and both Daddy and I work, so there's no way we could pick them up in the middle of the day. Somebody has to be a stay-at-home parent if we're gonna do that, and I'm only home because I'm incapacitated and I couldn't drive anyways, right? So yeah, give them something to do, give them something that I know they like. They're water babies despite they're born in the winter and the fall time. They always ask to go back to Florida ever since we went there for my birthday. Avery was like 4 months. Avery was 4 months? No, that's a lie. Avery wasn't 4 months. That's a lie, because Araya was born. I'm thinking about the other times we went to Florida. But ever since she went to Florida as a kid who could remember Florida, I think she was 3 and Araya was 2 or 4 and something. I don't know. But whenever that was, they're always asking to go back because they want to go back to the pool there. And since we didn't get the in-ground pool yet, I said, let's do this, get a small one. It's not that big. It's about 14, I think it's 14 foot by 42 inches. No, I bought it separate. It's in the drawer. You could get one. There's a blue one in there, a light blue one.
Fancy.
So yeah. That's why I really got it, even though I don't like above ground pool. This one is not big and in the way, and plus the backyard can't hold it, so you don't really feel like it's a take over the yard.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on notification bell right there.